The clock in Sri's car gains time at a constant rate. One day, both his car clock and his accurate watch read 12 o'clock noon. When he finishes shopping, his watch says 12:30 and his car clock says 12:35. Later that day he looks at his car clock and it says 7 o'clock. What is the actual time? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's compare the two clocks over the shopping trip. In 30 real minutes on the watch, the car clock advanced 35 minutes. So the car clock runs fast. That gives a ratio of car minutes to real minutes of 35 to 30. Dividing both by 5, that simplifies to 7 to 6. So the car clock shows 7 minutes for every 6 real minutes that pass. Now, when the car clock reads 7 o'clock, it has advanced 420 minutes past noon. Since 7 hours times 60 minutes is 420 minutes. To get the real time elapsed, we scale down by the ratio. Real minutes equal 420 times 6 over 7. That is 420 divided by 7, which is 60, times 6, giving 360 minutes. 360 minutes is 6 hours. Starting from 12 o'clock noon and adding 6 hours gives 6 o'clock. The actual time is 6 o'clock. The answer is 6 o'clock.